How to fix Binance withdrawal suspended, step by voiceover script. Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll explain why Binance sometimes suspends withdrawals and how you can fix it step by step. Let's get started. First, understand that Binance may suspend withdrawals for a few common reasons: ongoing system maintenance or network congestion, security checks after suspicious login activity, incomplete account verification, also known as KYC, using a restricted region or VPN. Here's what you can do to fix it. Step 1. Check Binance's official announcements. Sometimes withdrawals are suspended temporarily for system upgrades or blockchain congestion. In this case, you just need to wait until the maintenance is complete. Step 2. Verify your identity. If you haven't completed KYC, Binance may limit or suspend withdrawals. Go to your profile, select verification, and upload the required documents like ID or passport. Step 3. Secure your account. If Binance detects unusual activity, it may freeze withdrawals. Make sure your phone number, email, and two-factor authentication are working correctly. Reset your password if needed. Step 4. Check your region. If you're in a restricted country or using a VPN, Binance may block withdrawals. Always log in from a supported location. Step 5. Contact Binance support. If your account looks fine but withdrawals are still suspended, go to the support center in the app or website. Open a ticket, explain the issue, and wait for their response. And that's it. By following these steps, you can identify why your Binance withdrawals are suspended and take the right action to fix it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple Binance and crypto guides.